Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today in our revision segment we shall learn or we shall revise. So look here, it is make sentences A to J revision. So look here, look at our topic, it is make sentences A to J revision. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 16 and homework number 14 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 16 and SW number 14 on our annual term syllabus. Dear learners, in our last class we revised word meaning A to J. Inshallah, in our second class of revision, we shall revise make sentences A to J. In our regular classes, we have learned 12 make sentences, but in our revision segment, we have A to J, that means 10 make sentences. So, dear learners, give your attention and look at both. So look here, it is written make meaningful sentences with the following words. So look here, number A, it is favorite. Look, favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. So look at the word meaning, look at the meaningful sentences of the mixed sentences of the following words. It is stargazing was Galileo's favorite activity. So look here, favorite means stargazing was Galileo's favorite activity. Dear learners, one important thing, if you want, you can underline the word, but to underline the word is not necessary. Another important thing, in my regular classes, I have told you several times that these are the examples. You can learn or you can memorize from these examples, and you have a choice also to prepare your own sentences with the words, but you have to write the grammatically correct sentences. So number A we have learned here, it is favorite, stargazing was Galileo's favorite activity. Now B number, so look at the word, it is twinkle. So look here, it is twinkle, stars twinkle in the sky at night. Yes, we all know that stars twinkle in the sky at night. Number C, famous. So look at the word, it is famous. Galileo became famous for finding out how the stars moved. I repeat, Galileo became famous for finding out how the stars moved. Now D number, it is stare. So look here, it is stare, S-T-A-R-E, stare. The villagers stared at the stranger. So that means looked at the strangers. Stare means to look at. The villagers stared at the stranger. E number is bark. Look at the word, it is bark. The dog was barking at the unknown person. So we have learned here bark means the dog was barking at the unknown person. F number, it is surprised. Look at the word, it is surprised. The boys were surprised to know that the coconut is a seed. So look, the boys were surprised to know that the coconut is a seed. Now we will go to our G number make sentences. It is beach. What is it? It is beach. Anush and Ravi lived in a house near the beach. So look, Anush and Ravi lived in a house near the beach. S number, it is decide. What is it? It is decide. The boys decided to ask their friends about the coconut. I repeat, the boys decided to ask their friends about the coconut. Now I number, it is forgive. What is it? It is forgive. The mouse asked the lion to forgive him. So look, the mouse asked the lion to forgive him. J number, tremble. Look here, the mouse was trembling in fear. The mouse was trembling in fear. So dear learners, look here at the end of our book, it is written homework. This is our 14 number homework. So look, here it is written lecture number 16 and SW number 14. Lecture number 16 and SW number 14. So look here, SW number 14 is make sentence A to E. That means only 5. So look here, A, B, C, D, E. I repeat, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, these 5 will be your SW. Dear learners, one important thing, when I check your SW, I see that many of you do your SW following your suggestion sheet. No, you must do your SW following your YouTube class. I repeat, you must do your SW following your YouTube class. Dear learners, I am telling you again, in our regular classes, we have learned 12 make sentences, and in our revision segment, that means today, we have revised A to J, that means 10 make sentences. So I hope many of my students have memorized these word meanings. Those who have not memorized, please don't take time to memorize the make sentences A to J, that means 1 to 10. Keep practicing at home again and again, and do your SW at home properly. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.